Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to discuss about so many important features of ChatGPT. I will start from deep research. We will understand what exactly the meaning of deep research. Then we will move further to the data analysis and data analytics part. We will again understand what exactly this mode is all about. Then image generation, we all already aware of it, but we will see the different prompt and different ways in today's session. Then we will go to the uploading the document and analyzing it, simple code writing with the correct prompt. And also we will understand about the canvas. So let's quickly go to the deep research first. Let me start my chat GPT. So in this, first of all, when you go to plus sign, you will be able to get something like deep research, get a detailed report. Okay, let me just go to this mode. Before I talk about it, I will first let you know. Just imagine you ask someone to find the best information about a topic. So instead of giving you the first answer, they visit many trusted websites, compare different opinions, verify facts, organize everything, and then prepare a detailed report for you, right? So that is something exactly what ChatGPT deep research does. Deep research, when we are mentioning deep research, it is an advanced AI capability that can perform extensive online research on your behalf. It doesn't just answer from its existing knowledge, it actively searches reliable sources, compares informations, analyzes findings, and presents a well structured report with reference. Okay, for example, like we understand so many suggestions are here: track fitness trained, evaluate healthcare system, and so many other are there. So a normal AI, they also respond, but the response is like asking a knowledgeable question. And I mean, a person is knowledgeable, a friend is knowledgeable, we are asking the question. And deep research is something like hiring a professional research analyst who spend time collecting information from multiple trusted sources before answering. Okay, so it is going to work like you provide a research question, chat gpt plan how to investigate it, right? So let me just go ahead with a question which is useful for all of you. So everyone can do it. I just wanted to nowadays everyone is talking about the vehicles, automobiles. My question is compare, I'm so sorry, compare electric vehicles before buying ones. Okay, that's my question. So I'm just in the deep research mode. I'll click the send prompt. It will take some time. It is running the app request that you can see. Meanwhile, I can just talk to you about it. This is something, deep research is saving hours of manual searching and reading. So instead of opening dozens of websites yourself, ChatGPT gather the information into one organized report, and it gives you the correct research, and it is, you can something say that it's correct and it is exact. Okay. So you just need to provide a research question, ChatGPT plan how to investigate it, and it compares and verifies the information also. It is not like it's just taking the bulk of data and not verifying it. It identifies the trend, insights, and important findings. It prepares a comprehensive reports with the reference. So here you can see it has started. It is collected the official specifications from manufacturers and government databases, compile real world range efficiency and charging data from reviews, comparing total cost of ownership, including the incentive and running cost, and so many more things are there based on your, like, you wanted to purchase. It is actually in the play mode. So it is like researching. It will take lots of time to research and to complete all the things. And then it will give you the exact data. For that, we have to wait for some times. So now you can see after 6 minutes, it has completed the research and it is giving a executive summary. You can see that where it's talking about the electrical vehicles, EVs. It has spoken about the range and the kilometers in real world, total cost of ownership, then popular in 2025, 2016 model. It has compared all the models, Tesla, Hyundai, Kia, right? Based on the battery and real world ranges in kilometer, efficiency, and the charging, battery warranty, etc. Based on that, it has given us the price and trims. A detailed research is there in front of you, everyone. This way, it is recommending the buyer profile, a decision flow also it has given. So it has done all the PhD you can see on your electrical automobiles before you spend. And it has written all the sources also from where it has got the data. And if you wanted to take a normal family SUV, then it is suggesting go for the Ford, daily communicator, daily commuter, Hyundai, Ionic, and budget buyers are taking Bolt, EV also, the lowest price. And long range is Tesla model, and luxury is, of course, BMW. So this is what the research, deep research is all about. You can check each and every points, and it's not specific to automobile or any specific field or any software related, but it is for everything. It's for every field. So banking, finance, marketing, insurances, everything you can just talk about and can research and can plan your banking and insurance. That's it about deep research. Now let's understand about the data analysis mode. So imagine you have a large Excel file with thousands of rows of sales, customers, or financial data. Finding useful insights manually could take hours or even days. Let me show you on ChatGPT how ChatGPT is analyzing the data using analytics mode. It is acting like a personal data analysis. All right, so I can go to the data analytics mode. You can see here. And after that, I can attach the file data set. It is uploading the file. Meanwhile, I will show you. This is file, sales file, where it has thousands of rows. 11,251 rows are there. What I want from ChatGPT to analyze this, okay? So data analytics mode goes much further. It can work directly with your uploaded files, like we have just uploaded. And this file is related to the sales, this data set is entirely related to the sales. So I would say that generate the report based on sales, gender wise, age wise, state wise. Why I'm saying that, I will tell you. Because in here, if I show you, so we have the gender, age group, and state wise. I can search by marital status also. I can share this entire CSV file in the description. You can get the link from my GitHub. Yes. So I can show you this way. Let's go to ChatGPT and let's understand. I can just tell it about, as I said, that marital status wise also. Let it do. So this data analytics mode is going to analyze your data, analyze your large set of data, large set of file. Here you can see now the data analytics report for Diwali sale. Okay, gender wise, it's giving total sales, female and male, sale by age group. It has divided all the age groups and giving us. The key insight is customer aged 26 to 35 are the biggest buyer. State wise, it has got the total sales state wise. Sales by marital status, saying the married people, unmarried people spend more. So it is recommending the business that focus marketing on female customer who generates the highest revenue. If you will ask it to make a chart for you, make a chart so that everyone can understand easily, it will make it for you. You can see it has created the chart gender wise. Earlier also we were getting female. Sales by age group. Earlier also we were getting the same. State wise, marital status wise. Unmarried people are 58.5%. You can see. And married is 41.5%, sorry. So female customers generate the highest sales. Of course, customers aged 26 to 35 years are most valuable segment. So you should focus on that. Unmarried customer contributes a larger share of revenue than married customers. So this is your, so these visualizations are suitable for presentation, dashboards, and business reviews. So for all these charts and all, now you don't have to search on Google or PPT and you have to make the PPT. If you will tell it to make the PPT, it will make it for you. But of course, we are talking about the data analytics mode. So I just wanted to wind up here. So next, I wanted to talk about the study mode. So study mode is like your, imagine you have a personal tutor who does not simply give you the answer, but helps you to understand the concept step by step. So that is something exactly what ChatGPT learn mode or study mode is designed to do. Instead of solving everything for you immediately, learn mode guides you through the learning process by asking questions, giving hints, checking your understanding, and encouraging you to think before revealing the answer. Let me show you how exactly. Like, let's say if you are saying explain photosynthesis in simple terms. So it will be explaining. Let's go to ChatGPT and understand. So first of all, you will not be able to see the learn or study mode over here. What you need to do, you can just type study and you can take this plugin, and it is going to work like your tutor, your trainer. Okay, so normal chat GPT is answering you, like give you the best answer, but learn mode is teaching you how to arrive at the answer, right? So let's say I have a question that, write a Python loop. Okay, so there are multiple examples. If you are studying mathematics, you can just say learn mode simply won't solve your equations and all, but it will be guiding you as a student. But I am a IT person. Let's say I'm write a Python loop. Okay, let me just see. I have given it to study and learn mode. So great, I will help you learn it rather than just giving your code. Okay, so first a quick question. So I will explain you it at the right level. You are a beginner, or so you have to give answer of all these, and then it will be telling you that how to write the step by step, instead of giving you the entire code and you tell it to, like, okay, make me understand this line and etc. So this is your study mode or learn mode. If I talk about simple terms, think of learn mode as sitting with an experienced teacher. Instead of completing your homework for you, the teacher asks question, gives hint, explain your mistakes, and help you to discover the answer yourself. That's exactly how learn mode helps you truly learn, not just give you the answer. And that's exactly how ChatGPT is working. So the next and very interesting feature is image generation. Imagine you have a professional designer, illustrating photographer, and digital artist available 24/7, right? Instead of spending hours designing an image, you simply describe what you want, and within moment it is created. That's what ChatGPT image creation mode does. So image creation mode allows you to generate high quality images from simple text descriptions. Whether you need realistic photos, illustrations, logos, posters, social media graphics, or concept art, ChatGPT can create them based on your instruction, on your prompt. Let's go to ChatGPT and understand it. Here you can see create mode. Create image. So it is going to visualize anything. We are in the create image mode. Now my agenda is to write, like if I'm just talking to normal ChatGPT, it will create the text. Image creation mode is like creating images from your imagination. So my imagination is that a futuristic city with flying cars. Let me type it. Okay, let it go ahead. Now you can see no graphic design experience required. It has created image in a minute. Okay, so in generating the unique visuals, you can see it is, you can edit it also. You can click on edit and you can go ahead and edit it. Maybe something you have, you did not like, so you can change it. You can make it more according to your expectation. So it is supporting wide range of artistic styles. So ideal for presentations, marketing, education, and social media. So the next and really amazing one I'm going to talk about, that is something called Canvas. So Canvas is basically, you must have heard about it. Imagine you are working on a Word document with a smart assistant sitting beside you. Okay, instead of copying and pasting text between the chat and your documents, you both work on the same document together. That's exactly what ChatGPT Canvas is. It is an interactive workspace where you can create, edit, organize, and refine long form content or code with ChatGPT. It keeps your work in one place, making it easier to collaborate, review, and improve. Let's check on ChatGPT. Okay, so here my question, I mean, you can write a bigger prompt also, right? But I am not going to write a very big, like create a professional project proposal with so many documents and all. I will just make it simple. if it is like I'm talking about training and I'm a person who is interested in business reports and some training material and software documentation, I would say that create a complete 5 day Python training manual for beginners with example. Let me correct the spelling. With examples. Yes, since it is code, then I will go ahead with the exercises also and some quiz, some MCQs, I could say quizzes, right? Let it write. So I'm not specifically on Canvas mode. I'm simple chat mode and I'm getting it. Let me just search for Canvas mode. I'm not getting it. Okay, I think it's not there. If I type here Canvas, okay, and I will take this question, this prompt, and then, okay, so basically mode is not there. That is what something I wanted to explain, and you are getting these 5 days. So how it is helping you? It's like think of Canvas as a Google Docs or Microsoft Word with Chat GPT built into it. Instead of writing alone, you have an AI collaborator that helps you to draft, edit, expand, rewrite, summarize, and improve your work all within the same workspace. Right. So that is about the Canvas. So the next feature is code writing. One of the feature is important for me from where I have started actually working with ChatGPT, and it's something like you are going to ask it write the code, and it will write the code. Let's check out. Let me go to new chat. Let me just ask it to write the code. There is no specific mode. You can go to the chat only, and you can just tell it to write a simple code for designing a simple e-commerce website page. Also, generate the image of result. Okay, let it do. I purposely written this prompt wrote write a simple code for designing a simple e-commerce website. Then I made it also, but see what it is understanding. It has understood only creating the image. So this is something like we have to write these two things in a separate prompt, right? Or we have to be specific with the prompt. Let it first complete its image creation. Then I will show you how exactly it is showing and how we can edit it and how we can get the code as well. So the image is here, and in the image only it has written the code in HTML, as well as you can see the image of that e-commerce website. But I think I am not interested in that. I would say write a code for designing simple e-commerce website homepage in HTML. It will quickly create it for us. Okay, it is asking, it is mentioning that navigation bar and everything is there. Multiple responses are there, whichever you like. Now, after getting this, I have got all the code here. Okay, it has mentioned that which code is for what all features are there. After getting this, let it get completed. So if I say I prefer this, okay, so it is giving me this. Now I can say, can you generate the image of the page which this code is creating as a result? Okay, so these two things are there. It is giving you valid code. And after that, if you are telling it to, you don't want to go to your editor and copy and paste the code, run it. Before that, you wanted to check if it is according to your plan or not. So check it over here. The result is according to your plan. If it is not, mention it in the prompt that it is something, I want certain things to be here and there. It will make it for you, and then tell this to write the code. So now you can see it's in front of you. If you like it, you can take the code. If you don't like it, don't take the code. This way, there are so many features of ChatGPT which is very helpful. Please check out all of them, explore it, and let me know if you are finding any issue. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.